Veterans Day is kind of a turning point in the season where we start thinking a lot more about main break season is coming. We're winding up just our mentality for what we're expecting to come as we approach the later fall and into winter for main break season. Because we always prioritize main breaks, especially if they're causing damage or have the potential to cause damage. We have to make sure that we are able and ready to respond 24 hours a day, 365 days a year, whether it's a holiday or a weekend. I think we're very fortunate to have the caliber of people that we have who work here, who recognize the high calling of maintaining the water system and making sure people can take for granted that their water is going to come out of their tap.